Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making something for myself. I have made myself an Easy Wood Tools board, and I thought why not have a bit of fun and make a dog bowl, as everyone keeps saying that I like to make, and incorporate some shadow foam in that bowl to mount on the wall to house some of my tips for my elbow stabber. And while I'm at it, thought I'd stick the AGK in there as well, and of course the shadow foam is orange. So like I say, just a little bit of fun today, bit of practice, and again this is just something for myself. So at the minute there, as you can see, I'm using the #1 mid-size from Easy Wood Tools. And just shaping the tenon. Now with the Easy Wood Tools mid-size rougher, just squaring that off. And now with the Easy Wood detailer, putting the 3 lines in. Now we're starting to sand from 180 up to 240 on this one, and then very shortly you'll see me hitting it with some sanding sealer. There we go with the sanding sealer. I really don't know why I put the 3 lines in the bottom, because that bottom piece is actually going to be mounted to a wall, so you're never going to see it, but I think we just got into the habit of doing them, and it just happened. A couple of coats there, so it does seem to soak up the sanding sealer quite well on this piece. Now with the Yorkshire Girt from Easy Wood Tools, this is the original, and just lathering it on there. Lathe now will be at a very slow speed on this lathe, the slowest speed for the mid belt, which is 500 on this one. And there we go, just working it in. Good 2-3 minutes working that in until all the grit's dissolved. And then just now buffing it off at around 1000 RPM. And in a second you'll see the last piece and all off. Now the first coat of my crystalline wax. Again, just putting that in, leave that to soak in for around 12 minutes, something like that. I think I'll have this one in for. Just let all the solvents evaporate and then come back and buff it in. No pressure on that towel, just gently buffing it in. And so this is actually the first coat. I do put another coat on top of it. There we go, just the final piece there. Take it off, flip it round, back to the #1 hollower. Again, this is the mid-size range from Easy Wood Tools. Just slowly hogging it out. I want a thick rim on this bowl. One, I'm trying to emulate the alleged dog bowl. And 2, it's going to be a wall piece, so what's going to sit inside there, like I say, is the shadow foam. with a few little accessories. What I'm doing now is I've got the Easy Wood rougher just to square off those sides of the bowl. Wouldn't normally do this, but because I'm sitting shadow foam in there, I want it to sit quite close, because once it's mounted on the wall, I'll be gluing or epoxying the shadow foam into that bowl. Now I'm just removing some material, and this is at speed 2. You know, and this is really taking away that material. Oh, there you go. Back to the number 1 hollower. Oh, my precious, as everyone's heard me say. It is a beast with that 6mm cutter. It just removes material. One of my favourite Easy Wood tools to use, to be fair. And again, like I said, this was just a bit of fun. So now using the Easy Wood finisher, just to flatten the bottom. And back to sanding. I do sand the inside a little bit, but to be perfectly honest, I'm more concentrated on the outside. Again, I did sand that up to 240, and now I am applying the sanding sealer again. I will run through all the previous steps, which is Yorkshire Girt. Same process, low speed, 2 to 3 minutes buffing it in, working it in and then buffing it in, and I do hit it with the microcrystalline. I do add the shadow foam in there. Unfortunately, I didn't press record, so you'll have to see the slow rolls at end. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you do, like the video, comment, and if you don't mind, giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.